If your default rate of speech is like this. Hi, my name is Monica, and I've been living in Japan for 12 years. And a lot of people ask me why I came to Japan. And it's actually a long story. And さ、ああいう話し方聞いたらもう寝ちゃうよね。And if your default rate of speech is like this. Hi, my name is Monica, and I've been living in Japan for 12 years now. And a lot of people ask me, why did you come to Japan? And actually, it's a long story, and I don't have time to tell you this right now because it's too long. マジで早すぎ。もう頭爆発しそうじゃない? Here's the tip. If you want to say something important, slow down. And if you want to say something unimportant or you just want to show more enthusiasm, speed up. A lot of people only try to speak better English, but forget to communicate better. See how I slowed down there? 速さにメリハリを Vary your rate of speech. That's how to be a great communicator, and that's how you keep people listening to you. So that's your 1% for today. And remember, 1% progress equals 1% more confident.